I want to talk to you about GoCodes, and GoCodes is actually an inventory management software. And the question is it really worth it this year? Here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. So when you think about GoCodes, I want you to think about a easy to use, cloud-based physical asset and inventory tracking solution for small and medium-sized companies in construction and contracting, schools and higher education, medical, engineering, and industrial, business, government, nonprofit, partners, service partners, resellers. So you have all kinds of niches that can really avail themselves of GoCode's software capabilities. So that's really good. And with GoCodes, you have a tool that empowers you with the tools they require. That if you want to securely manage and track assets anytime, anywhere, GoCodes is actually the go-to software tool for you. And the platform provides globally unique serial numbers, digital IDs for each asset to facilitate complete traceability. So regardless of the number of assets in your business, you will be able to confidently identify every item. So that's really cool. So when you think about GoCodes, I want you to think about an asset management solution, an inventory management solution, a supplier chain management solution, and the software builds its solutions around quick response code stickers that you place on any assets you want to physically track and geolocate. So that's really good. So they actually do it in a very streamlined way. And so GoCodes generally works by using your mobile device to scan in the QR codes and transmitting the data back to the cloud-hosted database. And from there, your desktop or mobile dashboards can locate anything to which you have attached a sticker. So that's really fantastic. And it happens in a very seamless way, and a very quick way too. So GoCodes actually is cool because you are having a tool that can be applicable to agencies, to SMEs, to all kinds of organizations that are looking for an efficient asset management solution. It is actually specifically designed for Windows operating systems and offers a wide range of features such as work order management, disposal tracking, activity tracking, cost tracking, and reservations, all in one convenient location. So that's really cool in terms of traceability. I want to talk to you now about the pros and cons of GoCodes. So let's first talk about the advantages. So you have an easy to use software. You have the price that's kind of affordable. I'll speak about pricing later on. You have a secure tool, tamper-proof physical stickers that actually allow you to have owner information. So your information is actually encoded automatically in all the stickers that you actually attach to your assets. And you have the ability to actually locate powered down assets online or from mobile devices. That's really cool. You also have the ability to track any assets, even non-network assets. You have patented QR codes for easy scanning. You have customizable rug labels. You have automatic GPS tracking. Now, the automatic GPS tracking is important, especially if you have a inventory spread across multiple locations, inventory spread across multiple warehouses, for instance, or multiple depots. So that's important to think about. Now I want to talk to you about the drawbacks of GoCodes. So when we think about GoCodes, what kind of drawback can you contemplate? Well, no software usage tracking or automated detection of assets. That's a bummer in our view though. The stickers limit resale potential. There is no inner device visibility. And there is no uptime monitoring or notification. And what we have seen in our analysis is that when you think about GoCodes, you also got to think about some compatibility issues with Apple devices. The tool actually is sometimes can be a hit or miss depending upon the device. And using the app offline requires manual updating once you are back online. And attaching documents to assets could be more streamlined in our view, especially when you think about GoCodes in a more scalable manner. In other words, if you're thinking about GoCodes to track, let's say, 1 million assets. I mean, if you're tracking 1,000 assets or 100 assets, okay, it is still manageable. But when we talk about scalability and we're talking about really tracking a multitude of assets, then this issue, in other words, attaching documents to assets, that becomes more complicated. And that's why we think that GoCodes can actually streamline the attachment, the physical attachment, because it is something physical. The physical activity around attachment, they could actually streamline it a lot more. let's talk about the specs here. So when we think about GoCodes, what kind of specs can you think about? Well, I want to talk to you about setting up your assets, and also I want to really have a quick conversation around cost and sale. So setting up your assets is that process is pretty straightforward. So because you are applying physical stickers, you need to either order the tamper-proof stickers, which you can customize from the GoCodes store, or purchase the consumer-facing products on Amazon. So there is a free print at home sticker option with a standard version, which allows you to manage up to 200 assets. So the maximum here on the standard version is 200 assets. If you want, let's say if you want the security of tamper-proof stickers, then order the premium, professional, or enterprise package based on the number of assets you need to track concurrently. You can purchase additional stickers if you need more in the future. So that's really good. A free edition is offered along with a low-cost personal edition, which we would really consider as a gift for that person, who always loses their phone but can't locate it using the Find Your Phone apps because they always don't charge it or don't notice they don't notice it is gone until the battery is entirely dead. So the simplicity of a physical sticker and 4 predefined user roles is really attractive for companies that are not necessarily focused on technology. And this could be you, for instance, okay? And so GoCodes actually has all kinds of possibilities. You have the ability to, I'll talk more about pricing later on, but what I want to say is that the pricing tier that you actually sign up for is going to determine your features, the features you have access to, for instance, and also the kind of stickers you have. And once you have ordered stickers, you can use the web app to set up any custom tracking data you need. You can install the GoCodes mobile app to prepare for scanning. When the stickers arrive, it's time to scan, photograph, and enter every asset. For each item, you can scan the QR code and can enter the details in custom fields. While this process is a bit tedious, especially if one person is performing all of it, you have the ability to specifically locate every item as well as access reporting data on all of your assets. And again, we're talking about doing everything in one place. So that's really good in terms of the scalability there, okay? And also you have the ability to know when the assets are checked in and checked out, like in a library. It is not going to track your software usage though. It is very easy to learn and simple and very simple to understand. I'm talking here about the software. So while the stickers identify the property, they don't seem to be easily transferable, which could impact asset resale or turnover. I want to talk to you now about the features here. So when you think about GoCodes, what kind of features can you think about, or at least can you contemplate? Let's talk about that. Well, you have the ability to track financial data on the go using any computer or smartphone. That's really good in terms of functionality. You are able to automatically calculate IRS makers depreciation using straight line and decline balance schemes incorporating half-year convention. Now, when it comes to depreciation, you have all kinds of convention, but you got to really see which one works for you. Okay, and but you also have you can use average asset pricing, but you can also use another type of depreciation. By the way, you have a software tool that automatically calculates IRS Path Act 217 plus bonus depreciation. You have a tool that includes tough custom labels to securely identify assets. That's really important. That's really good too. And you have a software tool that provides chain of custody accountability for assets, reducing, in our view, theft and loss. You can easily check in and check out assets by scanning the QR code label with a mobile device. Now, when we talk about features with features of GoCode, the scanning in and scanning out, that's really cool because you are able to quickly and automatically sort of track your assets. You can automatically collect GPS location data for assets and view them on a map. You can, and this is kind of cool if you have a multi-store, a multi-warehouse operation, a multi-geography operation. Having the ability to see everything on the map is really cool. You can generate custom reports in Excel, CSV, PDF, and Word formats. You have a full audit history login for all changes and updates. You have a tool that is really designed for multiple users and roles that control access to data. and you are able to track service history and schedule. So that's really cool also in terms of giving you more flexibility. You can manage warranty and maintenance information. So that's really good. You can also rapidly access customizable data with custom fields and drop down lists. You can add photos using mobile devices. So if you are pretty used to utilizing your mobile device, you'll love that aspect of things. And you also have secure cloud-based solution that actually is kind of scalable, but only requires no IT support or customer installation. So that's really fantastic. I want to talk to you about the differentiators here. So when we think about GoCodes, what kind of differentiators should you be thinking about? First of all, the first differentiator I want you to pay attention to is basically asset management. So asset management in all granularity. I'm talking about asset management in terms of optimization, asset management in terms of identification, asset management in terms of asset tracking. Okay. You also, so besides asset management, another differentiator you have is document management. You also have collaboration. You have inventory tracking. You have tax management. Tax management is really important. And when we talk about tax management in relation to your assets, this is not just at the federal level, right? You also talk about the state level. So that's really cool. You also have analytics, for instance. So analytics is really pretty cool in terms of differentiator for GoCodes. You have a knowledge base within the system. You have ticket management. You have task tracking. Others differentiators that you might be interested in as you analyze GoCodes include reporting. You have an audit trail. You have document management, inventory management. You have reminders. Now, reminders are really cool in terms of differentiator because they allow you to really track assets over time, right? And you can actually go as granular as you want in terms of the work stream that you want to really monitor or you want to track. You also have work order management, inventory tracking, supplier management, status tracking. You have a tax management, barcoding, RFID. This is another area that really allows you to really have a clear idea about anything. Okay, and you also have you have task management. Okay, you have a customer database. You have inventory tracking. You have portfolio management, and you have billing and invoicing. So when we talk about differentiators, we're talking about all kinds of stuff actually. So and that's really important to really keep in mind. And I want to really understand. I want you to understand that with GoCodes, you can manage inventory quantity. You can automate field service requests. You have scheduled service notifications, and you can track accurate asset utilization data. So that's really an important element to think about. I want to talk to you about the value added here. When we talk about GoCodes, what kind of value added can you contemplate? Well, first of all, we love the fact that within GoCodes, you have a very straightforward to-do list, and that to-do list really adds a lot of value because it allows you to really track assets, to track activities, to track work streams, and so on and so forth. You also have tax management. So tax management is kind of important because you are able to add value in terms of, I think I just said it, in terms of the state, but also the federal level, okay? And also at the county level, for instance. I mean, there are states where you have, like in New York, for instance, you have New York City, right? So New York City has its own tax system. You also have document management. So document management is another area where you basically see GoCodes adding value to your inventory management. You also have barcoding, RFID. So the value added when it comes to barcoding is really deep because you are able to know exactly what happens. You are able to track everything. Okay. You also have work order management. So work order management allows you to have a lot of configuration. I mean, not only at the supply chain management level, but also at the inventory management level. So that's really an important element to think about. And what we love about GoCodes also, especially when it comes to value added, is that you have reminders, You have inspection management. You have historical reporting. You have status tracking. That's an important. You also have maintenance scheduling, inventory tracking, audit management, and activity tracking. What about pricing here? I want you to look on the screen right now. When we talk about GoCodes, you can see that the pricing that I'm showing you here, those prices are annual. Okay, so $500, $1,000, $1,750, $2,500, and if you want to have the enterprise sort of pricing, you got to contact actually GoCodes so that they can give you a quote, a custom quote. And but you also have a free trial, so you can try this tool for free for a certain period to see whether or not you will like it or not. So this is really cool. I want to talk to you now about the extras. So when you think about the GoCodes, what kind of extras can you think about? Well, first of all, you have a cloud-based tool. You also have a tool that you can run on mobile browser. They have a free trial, so we love them. The payment options, I mean, of course, I give you the prices on an annual basis, but you can pay those prices on a monthly basis. So that's really cool. You have a lifetime free plan. In some cases, they might give you, or they give it to you. Now, GoCodes, as of now, doesn't have APIs available. I mean, they're working on it, where they will actually open up their API conduits to companies who want to customize their software. So that's really good. In terms of device support, if you pay the right price, they will have a API for you, customization, mobile support, Windows, Mac, and the tool is available on mobile platforms. Available support for customer service can be email, phone, live support, tickets, and that's an important element to think about. What are the rivals here? When we talk about GoCodes, what kind of rivals do we have? Well, you have a Pro Series fixed asset management. You have a Sage fixed assets. You have Centerpoint's depreciation. You have fixed assets CS. You have Sunflower asset management. So you have a lot of tools. They kind of compete with GoCodes. So what is our verdict here? When we think about GoCodes, we think this tool is really worth it. When you think about the capabilities and also the updates that the tool is bringing to the market every single day, we will definitely recommend this tool. Okay, it is legit, it is safe, it is secure, and if you have the right capabilities, if you have the right need/requirements, and there's a fit, go ahead and choose this tool. Not a problem at all. Fantastic. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Let's quickly recap to this conversation. So, in today, I gave you a GoCodes software review. I gave you the overview, the pros and cons, the specs, the features, the differentiators, the value added, the pricing, the extras, the rivals, and now the verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.